We can also use operator overloading to control how an object is converted to a different type. For example, here we have a length object. Now, if we declare an integer and assign it this length object, our code doesn't get compiled because the compiler doesn't know how to convert a length object to an integer. But we can easily solve this problem by defining a conversion function in the length class. Let me show you. So back in the length class, here we're going to add a new function. Now this function doesn't have any parameters or a return type. It only has a name. And the name is operator followed by a space and the target type. For example, if you want to convert a length object to an integer, here we type int. Then we type parentheses. Now, because in this function, we're not going to modify the current object, we need to mark this with a constant keyword. Now let's generate the definition. Now in this function, we're going to return the value of the current object. With this, if we assign a length object to an integer, the compiler will implicitly convert the length object to an integer. To verify that this works, let's print the value of x on the terminal. Lovely. So this is how conversion functions work. Now, while declaring a conversion function, we can use the explicit keyword. And if we use this, the compiler will no longer implicitly convert a length object to an integer. So if you want to write code like this, we have to explicitly cast a length object to an integer. So here we use the static cast operator.